Locations. Let's now look at the location of Saudi Arabia. The east of the Red Sea lies the Arabian Peninsula. It is the peninsula because it too like India is surrounded by water on three sides. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the regions. In the Arabian Peninsula lies the big country of Saudi Arabia. The contains surrounded by Saudi Arabia are Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, United Arab Emirates, UAE, Oman, Democratic Republic of Yemen एंड यमीन. बात करते हैं क्लाइमेट की. सऊदी अरेबिया इज कवरेड विद द सैंड से, रेत से कवर है ये. सो इट इज़ अ रीजन ऑफ हॉट क्लाइमेट. वहाँ पे हॉट क्लाइमेट ज़्यादातर देखने को मिलता है, गर्मी ज़्यादा देखने को मिलती है. दिस एरियाज रिसीव वेरी लिटली रेनफॉल. वहाँ बहुत कम बारिश होती है. द कोस्टल एरियाज आर कंपेरेटिवली कोल्ड. कोस्टल एरियाज है, वहाँ पे कोल्ड दिखाई देता है, होता है, ठंड रहती है. देयर आर अ फ्यू हिल स्टेशन लाइक आबा विच रिमाइन क्वाइट कूल इन समर. Important palace, Riyadh, the capital of the Saudi Arabia. It is a modern city. Jeddah is a seaport. Let's now read about Jeddah. It also has a very big airport. वहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा एयरपोर्ट है. People from far and near comes here by air and seas. Two ways है वहाँ पे, एयर के थ्रू एंड सियाज थ्रू आप जा सकते हो, ट्रैवलिंग कर सकते हो. प्लेन एयरपोर्ट भी है. एंड कंटिन्यूइंग देयर जर्नी टू मिका एंड मदीना through the greatest Pelagian center for the followers of Islam. Jeddah too is a modern and a very rich city. बहुत ज़्यादा मॉडर्न एंड बहुत रिच सिटी है जिदाद. सऊदी अरेबिया ऑन द wool is very rich and prosperous country. It is because it has a largest reservoir of minerals oil. These minerals is buried deep under its sand. Occupation and industries. In Saudi Arabia, one would find the best of modern facility like skyscrapers, shopping, arcade, business center, education institutions, and it's one would find the best of electric goods, cars, refrigerators, air conditioners. The list is indels minerals oil taken out is refined into petroleum and other products related to it. Oil is taken out in very large quantities from the oil fields. It is sent to the harbors through hug pipelines. After the oil has reached the harbor, it is filled in special ships which are meant to carry oil. Such as ships are called tankers. Oil wells in Saudi Arabia. Look at here. Lifestyle of people. Amidst all modernizations, there are people who prefer to lead a traditional lifestyle. Let's read a little about them. These people have become brave and thorough due to their harsh surroundings, such as people travel in caravans. After a little travel with traders, we stay on with local billionaires. These people would keep moving from one palace to another throughout their life. They never settle down in one palace, such as the people are nomads. टैंकर कैरी ऑयल टू ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. टैंकर्स जो होते हैं उसमें ऑयल जाते हैं और सारी कंट्रीज में. ये रहे नोमैड्स. एंड आफ्टर अ लिटल ट्रैवल विथ ट्रेडर्स वी स्टे ऑन विद द local badness. These peoples keep moving from one palace to another throughout their life. They never settle down in one palace. Such peoples are known as nomads. These peoples are very hospitable. They speak Arabic throughout their lives. They rear and graze sheep, goats,